different kind of method while making the video. How do you guys think it turned out? Comment down below. So this was the previous puzzle. The first two is a male, which is he. The first three is female, which is her. The last four is something my first two will give to the first three on their engagement, which is a ring. So if you put it together, it is herring. And herring is a small silver fish. This is the next puzzle. So all of these words are related to the game of football, and wherever there's a star and a dash, there you have to fill in a letter. So you have to fill in letters for all the 6 words and find out what the 6 words are. Comment down your answers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you then. Bye.